On the SATs and working with a question like this, the first thing that you notice is this is a Venn diagram type question. Well, how do you know this? This particular problem set talks about a set of students that are studying French, German, and Spanish. So automatically the first thing you want to do is go ahead and set up a Venn diagram the way I have it. In this case with 3 circles because I have 3 sets, German, French, and Spanish. So I'm going to go ahead and label those. So here's my German, here's my French, and my third circle, Spanish. Okay? It says 25 is studying German, 15 French, and 13 Spanish. I'm going to hold on to that number for now, but what I'm going to do is plug in some other numbers. It says you have 3 that are studying German and French. So this number right here is 3. 4 are studying French and Spanish, so this number right here is 4. And 2 are studying German and Spanish, so this number right here is 2. And then it says none is studying all 3 languages, so the combination of all 3, this number right here, is equal to 0. Okay? Now let's go ahead and figure out how many of them are doing only German. Okay, the only German number would be the 25 studying German. But you have to account for those that are studying 2 languages. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3 plus 2, which are those studying both German and Spanish. So in this case, I'm going to subtract 5. So that means this number right here is equal to 20. You have 15 who are doing French. So in this case, I have 15 right here. But in the same manner, you have to account for those doing 2 languages. So you have to subtract 3 plus 4, and you're subtracting a total of 7. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. And then you have 13 who are doing Spanish. So this number right here is 13. But again, you have to subtract 2 plus 4, who are those doing a dual language. So you're subtracting a total of 6 in this case. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Keep in mind that the total number of students that you have is 80, so this number out here is equal to 80. Okay? So what you have to do is go ahead and add up all the numbers that you have in your set and see what you have left over. So I'm going to say 20 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 7. If you add up all of these numbers, you're going to get a total of 44. What this means is you've accounted for 44 students out of a total of 80 students. So then what you're going to go ahead and do to find out how many students are not studying any of the 3 languages is say 80 minus 44. And in this case, you'd be left with 36, which would equal to an answer choice of E in this case. Thank you.